Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get 1 cup of plain flour and about half a cup of thickened cream or whipping cream. Just mix this together until it's well combined. At some point you probably have to use your hands, but we want to mix this so it's like a dough. Now just chuck a bit of flour on the surface that you are going to put the dough. Get the dough and just knead it just a little bit. You can use a rolling pin. Now once you've done that and you've flattened it, get a cookie cutter, a round one. If you don't have a cookie cutter, just into rough circles is fine. Turn your oven on to about 215 degrees Celsius, which is about 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop these in there, and after that they'll be done in about 12 to 15 minutes roughly. Alrighty then, now these are done. Just let them cool. You can eat them as is. 2 ingredients, pretty cool. Now the third ingredient is jam. Strawberry jam, raspberry jam, whatever. So you can put a dollop on the top and eat that way, or use it as a center. I'll just get a bit of jam.